little faster.
Woo, we got a gust. This boat is much slower to respond than the Harmony because of the wheel. Plus just what it is.
Has anybody seen it?
What? Which one? Yeah, they've been out. Yep.
Yeah.
They've been racing. They were out, I think they were out last weekend. Dylan's parents were here. We went out last Saturday. Dee and Glenn took the Hunter, and the four of us went down to Matt Anthony's for lunch.
Oh, wow.